And welcome back. It is TGI Friday in the city. We made it through another October wonky week. And we got wonky on the chart today, but really, actually, the chart is mostly, I would say, quiet. And what is there is wonky, okay? So the same pattern that we really have our eye on, two things. The moon wobble that we've been talking about. Now, that's not the moon wobbling. It's not its orbit wobbling. It's an aspect when the sun squares or is conjunct with the nodes of the moon. That's called the moon wobble. And that peaks Sunday at 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time is when that will be an exact square. So we've moved into that territory today. We've been in it for a couple of 3 weeks here, and that is the energy that triggered the presidential impeachment conversation. That happened 8 days after the moon wobble began. Are you a believer? It's like something to take note of. Facebook post this morning, somebody said, I have a friend who's going through a really tough time, would appreciate your prayers. How many of you know that? Got a call from a friend last night. Same thing. Huge issue in his life. So this is real. This is going on, and it is the energy is in the sky, as above, so below, right? So the other big one that we've been keeping our eye on is Jupiter-Neptune right now. That's another square. But today, one that I thought just might be appropriate is the moon is square to Mars. That could make you a little grumpy today. So the thing that I would suggest is just the little countdown, breathe, take a deep breath, and let it go, right? Don't get into the middle of it. It's not worth it. But that is energy that is in the space today. Rest of the chart looks pretty good, actually. So let's just leave it at that. A quickie for TGI Friday. Hope you have a great one. I'll be back over the weekend because we're going to keep an eye on this moon wobble, see what happens. We'll call it down all the way to Sunday. Have a good Friday.